guys, Justin with MarineMax St. Petersburg. Today I'm bringing you my latest listing, this beautiful 2024 Sea-Ray 350 SLX, powered with the twin powerful Mercury 400 V10 engines. We are in Boca Bay, beautiful day today. We're going to run this boat around, give you a cool video and a quick glimpse of what she has to offer. If you want any further questions or want to come and check her out in person, Justin Lindell at MarineMax St. Petersburg. Give me a shout direct, 239-770-7090.